Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan have been summoned and opposition parties are crying a witch hunt now. The Shiv Sena and the Congress party are questioning why the Bachchans have received the summon from the Enforcement Directorate. Shiv Sena has said, and I quote here, Aishwarya has been summoned because Jaya is an opposition member of parliament. Meanwhile, the Congress party says, and I quote here, Amitabh Bachchan spurned the Bharatiya Janata Party's propaganda and that is why he has been punished. So remember, giving you a background, Aishwarya and Abhishek Bachchan have received a summon from the ED and at this point, the opposition coming together, the Shiv Sena and the Congress party, ensuring that they are claiming that this is only political vendetta against them. Listen into what the parties are saying.
I think the ED has got a little bit of a Bollywood fetish. They have just recently summoned Jacqueline Fernandez. I think they're going one step above and now calling Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. I don't know whether Mr. Senior Bachchan has refused to participate in any propaganda video for the government. But I've been told that Aishwarya's mother-in-law, Jaya Bachchan, wore a red cap very recently. So that could be the provocation.
All right, that's the big news coming in. Supriya Bhardwaj with all the latest on that. Supriya, so this is with regard to the Panama Papers that both the actors have received ED summon. How is the opposition jumping into which clearly appears to be an investigation procedure?
Well, Pooja, as far as the opposition is concerned, they have hit back at the government. Well, Jaya Bachchan refused to speak to the media today. She was very much present near the Gandhi statue where the opposition MPs are protesting. However, it was her colleagues from various parties who came out and said that this is nothing because she is the one who is joining the protest and is very vocal against the government on the entire issue of suspension of MPs in Rajya Sabha case, which is going on that very issue because she's very vocal. That's why government is targeting Jaya Bachchan and her daughter-in-law, that's Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. So the Shiv Sena has taken that stand. We have already heard what the Congress is saying. One thing is for sure, on this ED notice, which is part of the probe, is also turned into has also led to a massive showdown in the political arena. One side is the government, and the other side is obviously the entire opposition, which has come out and attacked the government on this very issue.
So both the Shiv Sena and the Congress party alleging because they spurned BJP's propaganda, that is why they are now receiving ED summon in Panama Papers. Thank you so much, Supriya, with all the latest. So what precisely has happened? Remember, Jacqueline Fernandez and Nora Fatehi recently had ED summons in a different case. That was Sukesh Chandrasekhar. Another one of the top faces of the film industry is now in ED crosshairs. Actor Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, the daughter-in-law of superstar Amitabh Bachchan, has now been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate. She has been asked to appear before the ED after she sought adjournments on 2 occasions earlier. The plea of adjournment was made to the Special Investigation Team probing the Panama Papers. Aishwarya Rai's husband, Abhishek Bachchan, who's also an actor, was also recently summoned for questioning by the ED. Summons to both Aishwarya and Abhishek were issued under the FEMA. The case is being probed by SIT, consisting of officers from the ED, income tax and other agencies. The summons basically pertain to the Panama Papers 2016 expose, in which unprecedented leak of 11.5 million files. The documents exposed how the rich exploit secretive offshore tax regimes, and other celebrities who were also exposed in the papers list included Aishwarya Rai's brother and even parents, Amitabh Bachchan, and even actor Ajay Devgan. Let's get a quick update from my colleagues. Munish Pandey tracking the ED and Saurabh Bhaktania in Mumbai, where, of course, these actors are based. Munish, over to you first. What precisely is the reason that the Enforcement Directorate has sent summons to Aishwarya and also Abhishek Bachchan?
Yeah, well, Pooja, as far as this entire case is concerned, remember in 2016, the Panama paper leaks came into light, and in 2017, the government formed a SIT comprising of officials from the Enforcement Directorate as well as the Income Tax Department. Now, as far as the latest developments are concerned, they have been given to understand...